Hey there, this was a bumpy video. As you just saw, I nearly knocked over the camera. Just keep watching because the bulk of the video is about the paper system in that box. I just want to make a quick card. I stamped my Menta Hello There stamp on my Tim Holtz pad, but it just wasn't holding my stamps. My ink dried and I missed the opportunity for my sentiment to be embossed, so I embossed the florals instead. Then I pressure embossed the next layer and inked the last two layers of my card. I added some shadows to my sentiment and found the perfect ribbon to add another element of depth to the front of the card. Then, right when I think I'm finishing, my tape gun runs out of tape. I just want to be done already, so I grabbed my mini and finished assembling the front, as well as made a matching envelope. I originally kept all of my paper in two locations. The first was a set of scrapbooks, each with color-coordinated sections. I also stored paper in an expandable file folder. Neither of these worked as I didn't know what colors, patterns, or sizes I had, so I took all the paper out and began organizing. The first step was to place all the white cardstock into one location. I always need test paper or small scraps for stamping, hand lettering, and embossing. Next was to sort paper by size. I created my templates based on A2 card with 8 different layers. When cutting the paper to the template, I highly suggest placing a binder clip on 3 of 4 sides while cutting your stack. This reduces the movement of the paper as you cut. I was able to stack 5 pieces at a time to cut out at once. Any pieces that were smaller than my templates, I cut into 1 inch by 1 inch squares. 1 inch strips are 1.5 inch strips. After a whole weekend of cutting, I sorted each size into a Roy G. Biv order and rubber band together and stored in a photo box. A couple of additional ideas to speed up your card making process is to cut out various colors of card bases. This way you'll have everything ready at your fingertips to glue together. Next, you want to pre-print your stamps. If you have some time to spare, print a few stamps out, emboss, color, and decorate. You can also hand letter any sentiments. Any pre-made items I keep in small Dollar Tree drawers. I also have pre-embossed some of my card layers to have them on hand when I need them. I still love to spend time on cards, and sometimes too much time, but this system will be perfect when a friend or coworker needs a card the next day and I only have a few minutes to make something. I hope this helps your card making process. Please leave any comments or questions you may have below, and as always, thank you for watching.